Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Isha and I hope you all are staying happy and safe at your homes. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, let's see what we're going to see today. And before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, like, share my videos with your friends and everyone. So in the previous video, we have seen about the gymnosperms and angiosperms, and we have completed the plant kingdom and the differences between the monocot and the dicot with their examples. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll provide the link in the below in the description. So yeah, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel till now, so please do subscribe. So today we are going to see about kingdom Animalia. Now it is these videos are going to be very short and more informative, I would say, and the few terms are there which we have to know in these chapters before starting kingdom Animalia, that what do they mean and what are their characteristics and everything. So first two videos of kingdom Animalia would be a little introduction about kingdom Animalia, what we are going to see in further phylums. Now starting with this, all the kingdom Animalia, they are the eukaryotic, multicellular and heterotrophic organisms. Now I think I have repeated these words and the meanings many of the times in my previous videos. Please go and check out those videos. Next, then there is an absence of cell wall. Plant have the cell wall, kingdom Animalia, they don't have the cell wall. Next, animals are motile. Now there are few exceptions in the further coming phylums, as they are the very primary or the primitive animals, we can say. So there are few exceptions which animals do not move, or that they have moved but under the water or somewhere, right? So the animals are motile. Now they obtain the food from the external sources. Animals, they cannot prepare their own food, they obtain the food from the external resources. Now there are two defining characteristics between the plants and animals which everyone can say, and I think even everyone can also tell. So please do let me know in the comments, even if you have seen the answer. So do let me know what are more differences that you can see in plants and animals. Now the first difference we can say is that animals, they cannot prepare their own food, while the plants, they can prepare their own food. And the second is there is a lack of cell wall in plants, and while cell wall is present in the plants. Now these are the two differences which I have told you. I want you people to let me know there are how many differences or what difference you know about plants and animals. Do let me know in the comments and I will give it a heart if it is a correct answer. So yeah, now there are two groups in the kingdom Animalia. So this is very important. Now this kingdom Animalia, or we can say animal kingdom, this is more beneficial and very easy to say. Animal kingdom, it is divided into two groups. The first group is the vertebrates and the second group is the invertebrates. Now let us understand what is vertebrates. Now the vertebrates are those animals which have the backbone, which have a notochord. Now what is this notochord? We are going to see in the further videos. So the animals which are having a backbone, the vertebra, they are known as the vertebrates. We humans are the vertebrates. We have a backbone. Example is humans of the vertebrates. Okay, next is the invertebrates. Now the animals that lack a backbone, they don't have a backbone. For example, snakes. I think you might be understanding, the snakes, they don't have a backbone, right? So but they can move here and there, so they might be come under the vertebrates or they might not be. So we are going to see the examples of them in the later videos. So for now, the example of vertebrates is humans. Okay, and invertebrates, we are going to see in the further videos what are their examples. Do they have a backbone or they don't have a backbone, or even if they have a backbone, do they move or they don't move, and everything about them. Now vertebrates, they are classified under the subphylum known as the vertebrata. Now this includes This phylum includes the phylum Chordata that possess a backbone, that is a vertebra, where the spinal cord is present. Now there are five main classes under the vertebrates, that is the Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. So these are five main classes. Now there are two three more classes under the kingdom, or we can say phylum Chordata, that we are going to see in our further classes when you grow and when you go to 11th and 12th. So it is little bit of higher. Next is invertebrates. Now invertebrates, as I told you, they lack of backbone is there and internal skeleton. They don't have the internal skeleton, while some species external skeleton is present only for their structural support. Now currently there are 97% of all animals in the animal kingdom are invertebrates. Now as you can see, there are total 9 phylums in invertebrates. So the animal kingdom is going to take a lot of time, so the further videos might take, in every video I'm going to take two or one phylum according to the information provided in NCRT, and with easy of notes to you all. So the phylums are like Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Protochordata. So these terms you might be have heard in the previous videos of mine also, about giving an introduction about kingdom plants and animals in that video. So these phylums we are going to see one by one, their characteristics, their examples, their functions, and everything about them. So in the next video we are going to see basis of animal classification, like level of organization, their symmetry, their segmentation, the body cavity, and there are many more things which we are going to see. So before leaving this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, thank you for now. Bye bye.